Okay, good morning children. You have chemistry today and we are doing the chapter of Introduction to Chemistry, which is the first chapter, right? So today we are going to discuss chemistry, a historical perspective. Okay, the history of chemistry. So the history of chemistry, it represents the time span from ancient history to the present. So by 1000 BC, the civilization, they used technologies to form the basis of various branches of chemistry. And these various branches of chemistry includes discovery of fire, then manufacturing glass and soap, then pottery making, then extracting metals from the ore. Now what do you mean by extracting metals from the ore? The first thing, what do you mean by the term ore? Now ore, it is a natural rock or kind of minerals which contain valuable metals, and removing of those valuable metals from this ore, from this natural rock, is called extracting metals from ore, which can be done by the various branches of chemistry. And again extracting chemicals from plants, and that chemicals can be used for manufacturing medicines and perfumes. Okay, so again there are two terms. If you see the history of chemistry, there are two terms. One is alchemy and chemistry, the other one is chemistry. Now alchemy and chemistry, it sounds quite similar, isn't it? Both the words sounds quite similar. So what is alchemy? Alchemy, it is the very old study of how to change the basic substances, especially metals, into other substances. Especially it is the study of changing gold into other substances. But it was unsuccessful. But however, by doing experiments, by recording the results, it has been made by Robert Boyle in 1661 in his work, The Skeptical Chemist. Okay, he made the distinction, the clear distinction between alchemy and chemist, which shows that both alchemy and chemistry, both are related, or both are concerned with matter and its transformation. Okay, then chemistry has become an established science by the inventions, due to the discoveries of many inventions, or by many scientists. Okay, so if you see the various scientists, name of those scientists, then the first one is Antoine Laurent Lavoisier, and he developed law of conservation of mass. Now according to this law of conservation of mass, it shows that, or it states that mass of matter cannot be created or destroyed, but it can be transformed to other substances. So this law of conservation of mass you will be learning in detail in higher classes. Then the next scientist, John Dalton, and he developed in 1803, he invented atomic theory. And this atomic theory, it is a scientific theory, and according to this scientific theory, it states that all the matter are composed of the small particles called atom. Then the next one, Dimitri Mendeleev, and he invented in 1869, or he formulated periodic law. And according to this periodic law, all the elements are arranged according to the increased number of atoms. Then by 19th and 20th century, the science has become more advanced due to the inventions of other scientists like Marie Curie. She invented radium and polonium, and she had a huge contribution in finding the treatment of cancer also. Then the next one is Ernest Rutherford, and he invented nuclear structure of atom. Then in recent times, Indian scientists, they have also produced an acclaimed work or a very popular work in the field of chemistry, and they are C.N.R. Rao, an Indian scientist. Then another one, Venkataraman Ramakrishnan, okay, and this one, they invented atomic structure of ribosomes. So this is the history of chemistry. Then children, on page 5, you can see the great minds of chemistry, and their inventions and the inventions of the scientists. Like, let me read out for you. Henry Cavendish, he produced hydrogen and carbon dioxide in the laboratory. Then Joseph Priestley, he discovered 10 gases, including oxygen, sulfur dioxide, and carbon monoxide. Then Antoine Laurent Lavoisier, he named oxygen and hydrogen, and he also developed the law of conservation of mass. Then John Dalton, he proposed the atomic theory. Then Dimitri Mendeleev designed the periodic table of elements. Marie Curie, she invented or isolated radium and polonium. Then J.J. Thomson discovered and identified the electron. Then P.C. Ray, chemist and the founder of Bengal Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals, and he was India's first pharmaceutical company. Then Ernest Rutherford discovered the nucleus of the atom. S.N. Bose provided the foundation for Bose-Einstein statistics and the theory of Bose-Einstein condensate. Then C.N.R. Rao worked mainly in solid state and structural chemistry. Then Venkataraman Ramakrishnan studied the structure and function of ribosomes. So these were the inventions done by the famous scientists. So I just want all of you to go through this page, which is page number 6. So thank you, children.